Name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Thank you and you. I'm fine. Thank you and you. You're fine. Thank you and
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a face chart Friday. Last week's face chart Friday, YouTube just, I don't know, canceled the upload, and I have yet to try to re-upload it, and there's a lot of technical difficulties with that. So I still have it on my computer just chilling in iMovie, but hasn't been uploaded yet because for some reason these last couple of videos I've tried to upload, it has either taken YouTube about 32 hours to upload them, or it just says upload aborted, even though I didn't touch anything. So whatever, hopefully this one works. This face chart was chosen by myself because I really like it and I thought it was really cute, and so I'm going to be doing it. And again, if I don't look at the camera, it's because I'm looking at my phone, looking at the chart. This particular face chart video though, however, because I have to rush to go take care of my grandmother, so I won't be talking as much, but I will tell you everything I'm going to be using in the video right now. So then, you know, I'm going to be using this Hello Gregory highlighter in the shade Unicorn Frosting. I'm going to be using my brushes. That's not all of my brushes, by the way, these are just my favorites. I'm going to be using this James Charles palette, and the shades I'm going to be using in here are, let's see, I'll find the names first and then tell you. I'm going to be using Rusted, Love That, and Rusted, Love That, Playground, and Cola. So that is, take this off before it falls. Rusted is this shade right here. Love That is this pinky magenta, this shade here. Playground is this blue shade here, and Cola is the blue shade right under it. I should say Playground is a lighter blue, but those are what I'm going to be using out of this palette. I do have my Just My Luck palette here, but that's just for the mirror. The lip products I'm going to be using are this Ultra Matte Lip from ColourPop in the shade Up All Night, as well as my Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm. And part of the eye look, the liner is blue. So I'm going to be taking this white lipstick from Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the shade Drug Lord, and I'm going to take that shade Cola and put that on top of the white, which is why, yeah, I'm going to be using Cola. I'm not going to be using Cola a lot, but I'm going to be mixing Cola and Playground to get the perfect blue, and then I'm going to put that as my liner. And then I think that's all that needs to be said. I'm going to be using the same lower lash liner. Actually, for this one I don't need that because the lower lash liner is also blue. So I don't need that, but I'm going to be using, yeah, the things that I don't show on camera, it's the same things. LA Colors Foundation is what I've been using for the past 2 weeks. I'm not going to use Trophy Wife on my Cupid's bow. I'm going to be using the Unicorn Frosting on my Cupid's bow for this particular look. Nice, and I'm actually going to use blush today. So enough talking, let's get into this. Again, I'm not going to be talking through the video, so this particular face chart is going to go by pretty quick. Now I did the second eye off camera only because I had to get real close because I'm not good with, for some reason, I'm not good with my left hand, like on camera. Then I change hands, but I'm not good with my left hand on camera. I'm going to go now and do foundation, concealer, all the good face stuff, and then I'll come back with the lower lash line and the lip. So now I am going to be using this blush palette from e.l.f. If you've never seen it, I'll show you what it looks like. They have, I think, 2 of them, if I'm not mistaken, or at least I saw 2 of them on iHerb. I got this one because I really wanted this shade right here, and that's the shade I'm going to be using. I mean, yeah, because this blush on this face chart is pretty deep, so I'm going to do that right now, real quick, real fast. I have hair in my blush brush. Why am I not surprised? Let's use it right here. Now onto the lower lash line, which is I'm going to be using those same blues that I did the liner for, which is Playground and Cola, if I get this palette opened, because for some reason it's not wanting to cooperate. So basically everything is done but the lip, and I did add the mole above my lip because in the picture she has one. So yeah. Now, the last thing or only thing is the lips. And we're going to be using these 2 products and the, hello Gregory, sorry I have a cold, Unicorn Frosting to do this lip. Hopefully it works. I wish my phone would stop locking on me, because that's ruining my life. And this is the finished look. I actually like how this came out. I didn't think I would because, I don't know, this blue. I thought it was going to look weird on me, but it's not. I like it. My eyelash is trying to come off. I need you to not. Luckily, I'm only wearing these for the pictures, and then they are going to come off. I think it looks weird because there's no black to hide the line. Maybe that's why the lashes are bothering me. But everything else is cute. I got all this makeup in my hair. Don't tell anybody. I like the lip too. Up All Night is a really good shade. I never used to wear nude lipsticks, and now look at me, I can't stop. In the video, when I did the lips, I did add the liner just because my top lip looked strange, so I just put it all around. This is Play 101 pencil from Etude House in the shade 30, or number 30. My friend Brianna got this for me with the other one that I used, was it last week? In last week's Face Share Friday, I used the thicker one. She got me those together. This is the finished look. I like it. I love it. Love everything about it. I am going to take pictures. However, I'm going to take pictures in these lenses, and then I'm going to send the pictures to my friend because I'm not good at Photoshop. I'm not going to lie and act like I am. I don't even know how to use it. So when I do want to use Photoshop on my eyes, I send them to my friend, and he does it for me. All I got to do is tell him to change my eye color, because that's whenever my eye color changes for the face charts, he's the one that does it. And it's just eye color. I don't do anything else because I don't see the point. But, yeah, because I want the blue to pop. I feel like if the blue was here, this would pop more. The liner would. So, that's why I'm going to do it, because sometimes I don't do it. Going to do it this time. And I'm also going to fix my nail because I didn't shape it right. And so the rest look all cute and this one looks weird. So I got to shape it and paint it. Not that you care. But I did these myself. Yay me. That's it. That's all. I'll see you all next time. Bye.